Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Cook Like Mamta. Today I am making three types of chutneys: tomato chutney, ridge gourd and raw tomato chutney, and yellow cucumber chutney. So let us start with tomato chutney. These are the ingredients: finely chopped ripe tomato, curry leaves, methi dana, fenugreek, little jaggery, oil 3-4 tablespoon, salt to taste. In masala dabba I am using turmeric, hing, mustard seeds, chili powder. Let us start. First we have to fry fenugreek seeds. 1 tablespoon I have taken. Let it become little brown. Remove that. Now put oil in this. 2 tablespoon I used. Add tomatoes to this. Let it cook. And we have to stir it continuously. Till this water absorbs, we have to cook it. Now close the lid and keep. At least 5 minutes we have to keep it. Meanwhile, let us make masala. Add roasted fenugreek seeds, mustard seeds, hing, turmeric powder, chili powder, 2-3 spoons chili powder because I have taken half kg of tomato here. Now see how our tomato is cooked. We have to press it little, mash it properly. Tomato is ready. Here let us make tadka for this. 2 spoons of oil, mustard, curry leaves, and this masala which I prepared here. Let it cook for 1 minute. Now switch off the gas. Then add this tomato, the cooked tomato to the chutney. Add jaggery to this. See, our tomato chutney is ready. If we eat this chutney with hot rice and ghee, it will be very tasty. When I was in school, we used to eat this. One of my friend asked me to make this chutney, so I made this. Thank you for reminding this chutney. See how it looks. Let us start raw tomato and ridge gourd chutney. Ingredients here: 2 raw tomatoes cut into big pieces, green chilies, oil, little tamarind and jaggery. This is ridge gourd, peeled and cut. Coriander leaves, groundnuts, salt to taste. Here in masala dabba I am using jeera and hing. Let us add oil to the pan, then green chilies. Let it cook for 1 minute. Now add groundnuts. I am adding now only because these groundnuts are not fried. If fried groundnuts are there, you can add later after tomato and all cooks. Now I am adding ridge gourd. Sometimes this ridge gourds will be bitter. We have to check those ridge gourds before making the chutney. Add raw tomato this. Let it cook for 3-4 minutes. Add tamarind, curry leaves, little salt I am adding here to cook the tomato and ridge gourd. This is our traditional side chutney. This is called Hasimenshinakai tomato chutney. Now I am adding again little salt to this. Jaggery. Jaggery enhances the taste of the chutney. Here coriander leaves and jeera, hing. Now grind it. Not full paste, little grainy. See, our chutney is ready. This we can eat with chapati, ghee, curd also. Let us make yellow cucumber, or it is called dosekai also in Telugu, dosekai chutney. These are the ingredients. Yellow cucumber cut into small pieces, curry leaves, coriander, oil, salt to taste, green chilies, methi, it is fenugreek
in masala
seeds,
dabba I am
red
using
chilies,
chana dal, urad dal, hing, jeera, haldi, turmeric powder, oil. Now we have to put chana dal here. Now we have to stir it. Let it cook for 1 minute. Now add urad dal. That also we should stir. Add fenugreek seeds. All together now we have to cook. It became little brown. Add jeera, hing, curry leaves. See the change in the color, it became little brown. Now add green chilies and red chilies. Now add this cut yellow cucumber. It need not cook a lot, for 1 minute it is enough. Add turmeric powder to this. Turn off the stove. Add coriander leaves. Add salt according to the taste. Now we have to make tadka for the chutney. Mustard, jeera, little urad dal, curry leaves, hing, turmeric powder. Meantime, I have grinded the chutney. See, our chutney is ready. Put tadka on this. It looks so amazing. Traditionally, it is eaten with hot rice and ghee. I learned this from one of my friend here in Hyderabad. See how it looks so tempting. And my children loves this chutney and rice. Our chutneys are ready. I hope you like it and try it. Please leave a comment on the video. If you want to cook like Mamta, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.